So in the last video, we saw how we can use rules to have keyboard inputs actually control some of our behaviors. So we got our actor to kind of drive around our screen with the up, down, left, and right keys. So let's go ahead and create another rule that has our actor trigger certain behaviors based on when we touch or click on that actor. So we'll create a new actor. We will name our actor as always. And I will click on that actor and then go ahead and open up the backstage or the actor's brains. And we want to create a brand new rule that we apply some conditions to. So again, click the rule icon. So we've created a brand new rule, and the condition that we're going to apply first here is the touch condition. So we're going to just drag that at the top part of this rule right here that says when touch is pressed, then what do we want this actor to do? Well, we can do pretty much anything that we've learned so far. So in this case, let's just go ahead and drag in the rotate behavior. So again, very simple stuff. When touch is pressed, then do this, which is rotate 90 degrees. So let's jump back into our actor tab so we can drag and drop our actor here inside our stage. And if we were to preview this, our actor shouldn't be rotating by default. But if I actually click on the actor, you can see our actor starts to rotate. If I unclick, then you can see our actor stops rotating. So click to rotate, unclick to stop rotation. Pretty simple stuff. So we'll go ahead and put this actor over here, and then I will create a brand new actor. Name that actor, and then inside this actor's brains, again, I'll set up a new rule. So click the rule icon, and then we'll go back to our behaviors here, and then we're going to again use that same condition, which is the touch condition. So just drag that into the first part of this rule. So when touch is pressed, then do this. And in this case, we are going to change size. Make sure you drag and drop those behaviors into the right area. Sometimes, like I did right here, you might drag and drop it in the wrong area. That's okay. You can just click on it and then grab it again, and then drag it in the right area. Just be very careful when this area gets very full and busy. You might drag the wrong behavior into the wrong area, and you just want to keep track of that. That way you don't introduce any bugs. So let's go over to this actor and drag and drop that actor into our stage here. And then let's experiment and see what these two actors do. So this one will rotate, and then when I click on this one will actually grow in size. So let's just do this one more time. Create a new actor, go into our behaviors list, and we'll create a new rule inside this actor's brain that says when you are touched, then do this. And let's just go ahead and scroll down to a move to. And then we'll just have that set to 0, 0. We'll drag this actor into our stage, and then we'll preview this. So our first actor, second actor, and third actor are doing nothing until we actually trigger them by touching them. A touch is also a click, but if we were to publish this later down the road when you learn how to do that, this would actually be a screen touch. So our first actor, if we touch, rotates. If we untouch that actor, it stops. Second actor here will grow, and then our third actor, when we click on it, will actually continue to move in that direction. But you notice that when our actor kind of left our click area, so let's just preview that one more time. Like for instance, if I were to click just on this corner, if our actor leaves that click area and I let go, it kind of stops, and then I have to click on the actor again and click on the actor again. So I just want to show you one quick change in that last actor that we set up. And you can see here it says move to. Notice this checkbox that says run to completion. This means that even if I'm not on top of the actor clicking on it, as long as I click the actor once, it will go ahead and complete this entire command. So I'm going to click run to completion. and then we'll preview this. So if I just click in this corner and let go, even though I've unclicked, it'll just continue all the way to its final destination there. So you should experiment with creating an actor that you press and it moves to a location, and see what happens when you have run to completion unchecked, and then also see what happens when you have run to completion checked. They're very, very different. So I recommend setting up a few different actors and taking some of the behaviors that you have already learned and plugging them into that actor, but make sure they're triggered by a touch event.